Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. The console is on or asleep, and you have the original Nintendo AC adapter or a USB-C PD adapter rated at least 39W. Plug the adapter into a grounded outlet, then into the dock's USB-C power port. Once done, slide the switch into the dock with the screen facing forward. You should hear a click. Make sure the dock's LED or the console shows charging and that cables aren't strained. Next, verify the physical and visual indicators of charging and display output. First, make sure the USB-C plug is fully seated and the adapter is firmly in the wall. If you're using a TV, confirm the HDMI cable is connected to the dock and the TV input matches. You'll see the battery icon on the switch screen change to a lightning bolt or percentage increase. The dock's LED may also indicate power. If charging is slow, remove heavy. To finish, leave the switch in the dock until the battery reaches a sufficient level. Avoid repeated undocking during quick charges. If the console doesn't charge, first try a different high-power USB-C PD adapter or a known good outlet. Once you've swapped adapters and cables, unplug the dock's power for 30 seconds and reconnect to reset internal power circuits, then redock the switch. This reset often clears transient faults without further intervention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.